Maghalo-halo tayo. Tara. Woo! Saan ba merong halo-halo? Yung masarap. Ay, yun! Hello! Darlene is here and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you have an amazing day. To all my subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. And if you are new to my channel and you love to watch delicious food, good friends, and a happy place to eat, please consider subscribing and you can watch all my new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Featured video for today coming up. Enjoy watching! So, itong Ben's Halo-Halo, hindi ganun kadami yung mga sangkap niya. Kita nyo naman. Pero ang nagdala dito, yung gelato ice nila with special mixture. Sila yung naggagawa niyan. So, tingnan nyo yung mga ingredients. Meron siyang ube yam, corn, I think makapuno, and langka. Dito sa Salty Summer Halo-Halo, ang twist dito yung salted egg. Ganun din yung ingredients niya katulad sa Ben's Halo-Halo. Gelato ice din yung ginamit. Sa ilalim, andun yung minatamis na saging na saba at saka leche plan. Wow, excited na akong matikman. Makapuno con yelo. It has a very simple ingredients. Cheese, makapuno, gelato ice, leche plan, but once you mix it all together, there is a distinctive flavor. And my favorite of them all is spicy winter halo-halo. So the star of the ingredients is chili with chili powder and chili flakes. So it has the basic ingredients, ube yam, corn, makapuno, there is saging na saba, leche plan, and langka. And their very own gelato ice. Ito yung, ano ba to? Ito yung Ben's Halo-Halo ice cream. Ito naman yung makapuno, corn yellow. Ito yung sa akin. It's spicy winter halo-halo. Tagita mo na.
You know what they look like this, so round.
Yes, taste heaven. Halo-halo sa tagihit. Nag-ihit pa. Wala siya. Yung unang tikim, parang ang sarap, ang tamis. Tapos bigla may naiwan na anghang. Yung unang tikim mo talaga, okay, matamis. Malalasahan mo pa yung pork, pero may anghang siya, may iwan. Oh, diba? Ibang level na mga halo-halo.
Good afternoon po.
Kailangan ba kainin to? Kinakain ba to? Tingnan natin.
Oh my God!
Ang Kaya.
Pusa.
Kaya ka nilagay dito to para kainin lang.
Amazing, darling.
Try nyo din.
Tap.
Try nyo to.
Hindi naman magkano ito.
Kaya ano kailangan ito? Kaya habang kumakain ka, maanghang tapos malamig.
Patikin mo kaya
The best. Gatin ang sili. Yan namin ang halo-halo.
Some chicken fillet, some fried, sour cream, some macaroni, dalawang
Ganyang kainin to.
Magka-almoranas pa ayaw ko lang. Sili pa raw please. Mga 10 pa.
Pwede nyo tikan? Mahirap kumain ng halo-halo pag may kutsara. Andito na sa ilalim lahat ng halo.
Hop.
At ito ang matindi sa lahat. Anniversary nila ngayon, kaya may discount kami. 10%. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like, share it with your friends, and put your comments on the box down below. I will be glad to know it. So till next time, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye!